Construction of root 5 minus 2 in mathematics. Hello friends, myself Sunil Kumar Jadhav. Here in this video we are going to see construction of root 5 minus 2 on number line. So let us see this video. You will understand how to construct root 5 minus 2 on the number line. Let us begin. Construct root 5 minus 2 on number line. For that, first of all we will draw the number line. This is what the line we have draw. I'll do the arrow. This is number line. So we have draw number line. Now I'll put one point here. Let me give the name of this point, point O. This is origin point. So we have taken our origin point over here. Now first of all, in this we need to take root 5. You know how to take root 5. We have already seen in the earlier video that how you can construct root 5. So for constructing root 5 we will use the Pythagoras theorem. So I will show you the calculation here, so you should understand. Pythagoras theorem that we will use and we will construct. For that, first of all I will consider that 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Here we are taking unit, not centimeter. If you want root 5 minus 2 centimeter, then you will take 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. But here I am taking 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. You can see here it is 2 and here it is 4. So this is what considered as the 2 unit. What I have taken, I will write it here. That is 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. We have to construct this root 5 minus 2 units, not in centimeter. If you want in centimeter, what you have to do? You have to take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. You will get it this root 5 minus 2 in centimeter. But we have taken it in unit. We want to construct root 5 minus 2 unit. So here I have taken 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So you can see this is 2 centimeter. So this is 1 unit and this is one more unit. So this point O, and I'll give the name of this point. Let me give it point A. So how much unit this is? This is 1 and 1, 2. So that I can write it. This is 2 unit. This measure I have taken 2 unit. Now as per the Pythagoras theorem, we need to construct the right angle triangle. To construct the right angle triangle, one of the line will draw from point A, which would be perpendicular to this OA, or this would be perpendicular to the line. To draw the perpendicular, what we have to do? We know that while we are doing construction, we need to keep in mind that we need to take it exactly the measure of 90 degree. And you know that you can do this along with the help of the protractor also. But while we are doing construction, we will not use the protractor and will construct 90 degree. For this, what I have done, I have taken one random or arbitrary radius and I have drawn one of the arc. Now I will put the point over here of this arc, on this arc, and over here, and then I will draw the arc in upper half plane. This is what I have taken, this one, and by keeping the same measure, I'll keep the point over here which touches this line on the other side of the arc, and this one. So now I will draw the perpendicular, but on this perpendicular we need to take only 1 unit. We have to take 1 unit. So 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, we know. So first of all I will just draw one of the ray on which I will take it the required measure. This is the ray, lightly I have drawn. This will make 90 degree angle over here along with this OA. This is must, because if you just keep the scale and if you will try to draw it, it will never be 90 degree. So you have to do this method for drawing 90 degree. Now we need to take only 1 unit over here. So 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeter. Even you can take the measure and you can draw the arc, but on this line I will put the point over here. This is 1 unit. 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. We already taken. So that only I have done. This is 0 and this is 2. So this is 1 unit. So here it is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. So I will give the name of this point. Let me give it point B. And I will connect this OB. I'll connect this OB. So when I have connected this, it makes the right angle triangle. This one. This is a right angle triangle. I will make it little dark so you can see that properly on our number line. Or even it's not needed to do the dark. You can just understand it. But I have taken it and make it dark so you can see clearly that right angle triangle OAB, where we have taken this as a 2 unit and this we have taken as 1 unit. This measure I have taken 1 unit. 1 unit of this measure. So now we'll do the Pythagoras. We'll write it as per the Pythagoras theorem. In Pythagoras theorem, square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides of the right angle triangle. So as per the Pythagoras theorem, we know that triangle OAB, angle A is equal to 90. Therefore, I can write as per the Pythagoras theorem, that is, in this figure you can see this is hypotenuse. So square of the hypotenuse, that is OB square, is equal to sum of the square of both the side, that is OA square, plus this one, that is AB square. So I will put the measure. OB square is equal to, what is the measurement of OA we have taken? That is, we have taken 2 units. So I will put it here, that is 2 whole square. What is the measure of AB we have taken? That AB is taken to be 1 unit. So I will put it here, 1 square. Therefore, OB square is equal to, we got it, 2 square is equal to 4 plus 1 square is equal to 1. So we got it, OB square is equal to 5. Hence, if we want to get the measure of OB, that would be root 5 unit. So this OB, we got root 5 unit. So I will write it here, root 5 unit. We want root 5 unit. So what to do? In this case, I will take the measure from O to B. This is root 5. We have already done the calculation. On the basis of calculation you got it. This OB is equal to root 5. Because this is 2 unit, this is 1 unit. As per the Pythagoras theorem, we have done the calculation, and on the calculation you got that OB is equal to root 5. We need to put it on the number line. So this measure I will take it OB, and then from here I will draw the arc which touches the number line at this particular point. Let me give the name of this point. I will give it, that is point D. You can give any name. So this measure, that is O to D, this measure OD is root 5 unit. This is what we got it for. OD is equal to root 5 unit. In fact, we have taken it OB, but the same measure, that is OB, is equal to OD, because same measure radius we have taken, and then we have draw the arc which cut it on this number line at point D. So this is what we got, root 5. But what we want to construct, that is root 5 minus 2. How you can do it? Root 5 minus 2. This is what we got it. OD is equal to root 5. We need to get root 5 minus 2. While we are doing minus 2, you know that we have started our point from point O. That means this is the origin point, and we have gone at this side, at the right hand side, to make it root 5. Now when we want to do the subtraction, we need to go at the left hand side to subtract something from this root 5. This is root 5. We need to subtract 2 unit from this, so we have to go at left hand side. If it is root 5 plus 2, then we have to go at the right hand side. That is root 5, and we will add 2 unit more to make it root 5 plus 2. But here we want to make it root 5 minus 2. For that what we'll do? We will take the measure of root, that is 2 unit. Here it is there. You can see this is 2 unit. It is origin point O and this is 2 unit we have taken. So what I will do now, I have taken this measure 2 unit, or even you can check it on the scale. We have taken 1 centimeter equal to, 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So this is 4 centimeter. You can see that 4 centimeter, here it is 0, this one, and here it is 4. So 4 centimeter is equal to 2 unit that I have taken. Now I'll keep the point on D, it is here, and then I'll draw the arc at this side, and it touches this particular line at this specific point. This point I'll give the name. Let me give the name of this point. Let me give it OP. So this measure O to P, it is a very small, it is here O and here it is P. It is a very small distance. This distance is what? It is root 5 minus 2. So this is how you can construct root 5 minus 2. What we did first of all, we have draw root 5 as per the construction we did for root 5, and then we have taken this 2 unit and we have subtracted those 2 unit from whatever root 5 we got it, and we need to subtract, so we'll go towards the origin side. If we want to add, we should go at the right hand side, or we can say at the other side of the origin, but we want to subtract it from this point, or we can say from this distance root 5, that is root 5 minus 2. So we have gone towards the origin side and we have done it. We have put the point, or we have make the arc, and it touches the number line at this point P. So this OP distance is root 5 minus 2. So this is how you can draw root 5 minus 2. In the similar way, suppose in exam they will be asked you to draw root 3 minus 2. What you will do in that case? If it is root 3 minus 2, it will be going in minus. But suppose they will ask you to root 3 minus 1. What you will do? Similar way, first of all you have to construct root 3, and then from that point you have to subtract 1 unit and you will get this value. So this is how you can do the construction of root 5 minus 2. This question has been asked by one of my student or one of my viewers. So this is for you, and this is for all the students who wanted to learn about construction of root 5 minus 2. So I hope you understand this. If you really like this video, then click on the like button, so it will be in the list of the hot video, and other student can also see this video. Share with your friends so they can also get the advantage of it. And to learn more things about standard 9 to 12 mathematics and science, subscribe my channel, so you will get the future update on my channel. When I'll upload the video, you'll get the notification. Thank you so much.